Welcome to one of the most generous farm properties in East Tennessee, near picturesque Jefferson City. This is 1035 Barbee Road. 125 acres with a gorgeous mountain view makes a perfect place for your livestock and horses. Wooded and gently rolling meadows also includes barns and buildings for storage. Fully fenced, this farm is complete with a pond. Utility water is available, and you can draw from the on-site well for watering your animals. A silo stands tall. It's a reminder of times gone by. The house on the land was not considered toward the value of this property and will require extensive renovation. See 1035 Barbee Road for yourself. Call Tony Thomas of Weichert Realtors Tiger Real Estate direct at 865-548-0661.